PBB President, Ms. Iris. And congratulations din hindi lang po sa mga graduates na nandito na 150 strong graduates of this batch. And of course, congratulations din PBTC kasi pang-11 graduation na nila ito. So congratulations po sa ating lahat. So at this time, we also invite a very distinguished guest to deliver. I'm so excited to present the candidates for completion, and it will be led by our TESDA trainer and PAWA, Philippine Association of Wellness and Aesthetics, founding board member, Dr. Mary Ann Papurin. Please give Dr. Ann a warm round.
Good afternoon, Dean Maria Garcia. Gracia Pidela. Okay, our TESDA Pasay Makati District Director, our BDC and PAWA President, Ms. Iris James, and to our distinguished speaker guest, Mr. Jawed Ansay, TESDA Pasay Makati Assessor Association President. To graduates and visitors, good afternoon. Dear graduates, please rise for your final confirmation.
And malasakit. Be proud of your skills. Be proud of your profession. Be proud to be a tested graduate. Remember that true success is not measured solely by income or career achievements. It is measured by your ability to uplift your family, serve your community, create opportunities for others, and contribute to nation building. Muli, taus-puso kong binabati ang lahat ng graduates ng Beauty Trend Center Institute at Beauty and White sa ilalim ng Enterprise-Based Education and Training Program. May you continue to shine, inspire, innovate, and succeed as skilled Filipino professionals who embody the true spirit of training tungo sa trabaho. Congratulations and may God bless you all. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa ating butihing District Director, Ms. Maria Gracia de la Rama, and also together with our PTC President and Doc Mean to join us for a photo opportunity and awarding of our Certificate of Appreciation and Recognition. Thank you very much for joining us today. Dr. TESDA Pasay Makati District Office, and Mr. Jawed Ansay, President, TVET Trainers and Association of PASNAC, TVET PAAP. In grateful recognition and sincere appreciation of your valuable presence and support as our distinguished guests during the graduation ceremony of the Beauty Trend Center Institute, Inc. and Irish Festival Beauty and White Spa Incorporated. Your inspiring message, dedication to technical, vocational education and training, and unwavering commitment to empowering learners have greatly contributed to the success of this meaningful association. Given the second day of June 2026 at Celapods Hotel, FP Harrison Street, Pasay City. Thank you so much po for gracing. Parang ayaw na pang umapya. Ready na ba? Yes! Okay. Irresistible Beauty and White Spa Incorporated for Aesthetic Services Level 2, General Ruben. Batch 1. Winjeff Evans Biazon.
Evans talaga.
Janina James Bata.
Ayan siya.
Level 3.
maglalakas. Kasi kompleto.
Yung batch natin yung pinaka talaga.
Atake yung hindi naman nagsimula.
Okay kasi
Sige, hindi ang kasi nagsimula na yung gusto yan. Sinunod ko na lang.
Ako ba? Magaling ka, pero doon sa kabila ako. Ito tayo.
Meron palakpak buhay.
Ako nga, di na lang ako.
Regine P.E. Gulayo.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ito pala yan.
Diyan nga yun. Gusto mo siya?
Jennifer Iriao Labro.
Ang layo naman.
Jocelyn
Ay, walang picture
Olete
Walang
Lavarias.
picture sa atin, Jane.
Hello, wala.
Hindi, nagbigay yan siya eh.
Oo nga. Late na.
Nakalimutan siguro.
Ay!
Maliit.
Ba't iba?
Mary Jen Lim Ledesma.
Late yun ano?
Ana Cristina
Wala akong
Aces
picture.
Litawan.
Wala kang picture doon.
Ba't wala akong picture doon?
Oo. Late ka na kasi mapasok. Hindi, joke. Baka sila ka lang.
Congratulations, Batch 1!